Hello everyone, welcome to the Domain Racer. In this video, I am going to show you how to customize your email templates. First, in configuration section, you can see here the email templates are present. Click on that. And here, if you want to customize any template related to your general messages, then you can select from here and you can configure from here. You can see general messages here are here, product and services messages, user messages and invoice messages and domain messages like. Again, also you have admin messages here, support messages and affiliate messages. So for example purpose, I choose hosting account welcome email and I configure this which is in product and services messages. Click on that. Here you can see the email templates. So from here you can configure the hosting account welcome email templates. This email templates is nothing but whenever customer will order the product and if the product get activated, then this welcome email goes to the client. So you can configure email from here. Here is the domain racer from domain racer and this is the email address. So if you want to copy this email, you can copy from here and add multiple email address from here. So enter email address separated by comma and in blind copy tool, you can add email address separated by comma. And in attachments, you can choose or attach the file from here. Click on attach file and attach your files from here. This is a plain text. When you click on plain text, here from demonstration purpose, I select this and after selecting this, your email look like this. Here you can see our email. And next is a disable. Check to disable this email from being sent. Means if you want to disable this, then here you can enter your subject and this is your email. If you want to do any modification, then you can easily modify from here. At the end, you can see the available merge fields like here you can see the order IDs and all. So you can add this field in your email ID. So for example, I copy this, paste in notepad. So copy from here order ID and services and paste it here after new account information and click on the save the changes. So in this way you can customize your email. I hope you understand how to customize the email templates. Lastly, you can see here the email templates updated successfully. So I hope you understand how to customize the email templates. So if you have any doubt, go through our series.